At LazyChat, we are building smart agents to automate core e-commerce operations, starting with customer support. Small businesses get flooded with messages, but it's impossible to reply to everyone. That's how sales slip through the cracks. Look at all these messages flooding in. And the best part, our AI agents are handling them while we just sit back and relax. Now let's take a live action. Let's come to a Facebook page, pick a product, and then ask to this page about the details of this product. Our AI agent is now scanning the inventory to find a match with all the details and the image. We have built a custom image processing system, which is now working on these queries. Now let's give it a moment so that it can properly prepare the replies for us. Great! Our AI agent has already detected the image of the product. Now it's going to prepare the full details to send us. Let's give it a while. Great! We have got the details as well. Faster and more detailed than a human could have done in this time. Now, let's try to place an order out of this. We have placed the email, placed the text for placing an order already. Now, our AI agent is going to process it. Our AI agent is going to ask us a particular set of details to complete this order processing system. Let's give it a while. Great. Our AI agent is now asking us for our full name, our phone number, the shade, quantity, and the address. Great. We have already included all the details that the AI agent has asked us. Now, let's wait and see what it shows us. Looks like the order is going to be placed soon. Yes, there it is. We had ordered for 2 pieces and that has been placed perfectly. Great. Now let's get back to the dashboard and see what's happening there. Our AI is equipped to handle nearly all brand-related queries. For anything beyond its scope, the conversation is routed to the unreplied tab where it's automatically assigned to a human agent. The system smartly distributes the queries based on agent availability, prioritizing those with the lightest workload. Now let's see one of these messages. The customer had asked an irrelevant question, and the AI agent has passed this to the human agent, and the AI has been paused until the agent is actually replying on its own. After the reply is completed, the issue has been solved. We can now mark it as resolved from here, and then this will be moved out of this tab. So far, the journey of LazyChat has been really great. Now let's get back to the Facebook page and try out how the comment automation of LazyChat AI agent performs. Let's pick this post and comment here. Let's try out the comment order. Let's see how the LazyChat AI agent performs here. We have placed the comment successfully. Now let's wait till the LazyChat AI agent gets back to us with the reply. For that, let's reload the Facebook page. Let's wait a bit to see. Here you go. We have got the message on our inbox for this comment. The LazyChat AI agent has informed us about the product price. Now, if we want to proceed with the order, let's place this. There we go. We have placed the order. On the reply section, we can see the reply of this particular product as well. There you can see the product price and the image as well. So the LazyChat AI agent replies us in the comment box as well as on the inbox. Great, the order has been placed from the comment as well. Now you must be wondering, how is all of this tailored so perfectly to my brand's needs? AI assistant. Here is where the magic happens. This is how we teach our AI agents to get the job done. Brand owners have full control over how AI agents interact with the customers, starting with the tone of voice. Whether it's friendly, formal, or quirky, responses are always on brand. They can easily configure what information the AI agent should be collecting, whether it's processing an order or resolving an issue. Every interaction is structured, smooth, and consistent with the business workflow. Custom instructions can also be uploaded, enabling agents to respond exactly as per the brand's unique guidelines. And when it comes to understanding the customer's responses, LazyChat has covered you. With multilingual capabilities, our AI agents can detect customer language and respond in the most natural way. So, how do you actually get started? It's simpler than ever. Connect your business in just a few clicks, whether you are using Shopify, WooCommerce, Wix, or even a custom website. No website? No problem. You can use LazyChat's built-in inventory and order management tools to run your entire business directly from the platform. Just link your social channels like Facebook, Messenger, Telegram, WhatsApp, and upload your FAQs, product queries, and the brand guidelines. And guess what? We're constantly adding more integrations, so your operations become smoother and more powerful over time, including payment systems, delivery APIs, and CRM platforms. At LazyChat, our mission is clear: to automate and scale your business so you can focus on growth, not the grind. Whether it's chat automation, comment automation, AI assistant, seamless integrations, we are just saving your time. We are unlocking a whole new way to run your business.